Hello, welcome back to my new CCC tutorial series. I did the 2016 J1 last time. I'm going to be doing J2 now. It's called Magic Square, and the problem description is here. Magic squares are square arrays of numbers that have the interesting property that the numbers in each column and each row all add up to the same total. Given a 4x4 square of numbers, determine if it is magic. The input is like a 4x4 square, like here, and I have to output if it's magic or not magic. So if we go into our PyCharm here, I'll define valid. I can call it like is magic, but like it's the same thing. And so my magic square is a 4x4 thing, right? So basically, I'll it doesn't matter what I assign to this right now, but I have to assign it to something. So basically here I'm just repeating -1 4 times, and then here, same thing, but I'm repeating this row 4 times, which makes the columns as well. So then, I have 4 lines of input. I'll call it line. And then basically matrix I, so whichever row this is equal to integer x for x in line dot split, and then it's a space. So basically, if I have like 1 2 3 4, if I have 1 2 3 4, I'm basically just assigning these, putting them into a list, and making that the row. Alright, so if I were to do this normally, what I would do is I would get the sum of like the numbers in any row or column, and then I'd compare them. So base value basically. For I in range 4 again, base add my matrix 0 I. It's just like all the values in a row. And then I have to check if all the sum of all of the rows and columns are equal to my base value. So for I in for j in range 4 again, the sum of my row, I'll just assign it to 0. For I in range 4, sum row, I'll add my matrix I, j. And the reason I swapped j and I here is because we like to put it in computer science, we like alphabetical sorted stuff. So I switched them because I want this to change because this is my row. Like if I have like 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 here, so I'm just like row 1, and then for each one in this row 2 for each one in this row, and so on. So that's why I'm doing I, j, and not, that's why I'm doing j, I, and not I, j. And if some row, like even if 1 is not equal to my base value, I'll return false. It's not a, and then here for I in range 4, the sum of the column is equal to 0, and then for j in range 4. And you might ask, why is it ij here? Well, because it's columns, it's not row. Rows are just weird like that. So I'll just I add, it's still matrix I, j, but I want to move down and not horizontally. And if all of our passes are like if it doesn't return false, I'll return true, because that basically means the sum of them are actually equal, are all equal. So basically, if it's true, I'll print magic, else I print not magic. And yeah, that's J2. So let's input into DMOJ here, if it would load. Thank you. Here we go. And yeah, they all podcast. So once again, that was Canadian Computing Contest 2016, question J2, Magic Squares.